You can ask anything to this Bing AI. All you need to do is just to come down here, ask anything. Like I said, you have the option to ask anything up to 2,000 characters. So let's say we want to go on vacation. I'm trying to go on vacation within Nigeria, and let me ask you to find me 10 best locations that I can go on my vacation this year. So I can say, can you help me find 10 vacation areas in Nigeria? All right, so let's hit on enter, and you can see, can you help me find 10 location areas in Nigeria? And let's see the response. Searching for vacation areas in Nigeria. You can stop response if you want, but then this is the response. Sure, I can help you with that based on the web search results. Here are 10 possible vacations. Obudu Mountain Resort. This is very, very far away from me. Yankari Game Reserve. This is a bit closer to me. Ikogosi Warm Spring Resort. It's in Ekiti State and it's very far away from me. Tinapa Business Resort. I think this one also is quite close to me. No, it's not close. This is in Calabar State. Okay, Lake Conservation Center is in Lagos. Olumo Rock. I've been to Olumo Rock. Kajuru Castle in Kaduna State. Yeah, this is the closest to me, and you can see the details. Okay, it's giving you details. Ungo Pine Forest. You can see the Ibeno Beach, which is in Akwa Ibom State. I think this one also very far away from me. So if you want, you can prompt it to give you more, but you can see even the sources where I found all the details about these vacation areas. You can check around and ask it to give you more details about, let me say, Olumo Rock. Can you give me details of hotels around Olumo Rock? Yeah, so let's see what response is going to give us. Here are the hotels near Olumo Rock. Okay, searching for hotels near Olumo Rock, and you can see, of course, I can give you Abidi International Hotel. You can see even the distance away from Olumo Rock. You can see how it is being rated. Richton Hotel Suites, you can see it. Okay, this is the distance. Okay, you can see Heritage Courtyard Hotel. You can see Celia Suites. Okay, you can see it has given you this much number of hotels. Okay, so we can ask it to calculate the expenses. It's going to, can you give me an average expense for this trip if I am coming from Zaria in Kaduna State? Okay, let's see what it has to say. So this is Olumo Rock. It has even given you the location and even the location of all the hotels around. Okay, so you can see even their pictures. It has populated them with their star ratings and all that. Okay, so let's say, can you give me an average expense? Yeah, this is the average response. So coming from Zaria, transportation costs according to Rome Trio, these are the costs. Okay, so you can see Zaria to Abuja, $65, $65 to $80. Take a bus from Abuja to Abeokuta, see $10 to $15. This is exceptionally correct. Abeokuta to Olumo Rock is $2 to $3. This is fantastically correct because I've been there, so I know exactly what this is telling me. So this is total cost. It's going to cost you this much money per person for one way. Okay, and if you want to go 2 ways, you then have to know how much it's going to cost you. If you want to go the hotel costs also, according to Bing Travel, Expedia, you can see the transportation cost and the hotel cost, and then this is it. Okay, so it gives you the average. Now if you want to trip it further, you can prompt it further. This is the hotels near and even some of the pictures it has given you. So if you want to prompt it further, you can say, can you write an email to my friends telling them I'm going on this vacation in December? Okay, so let's say, can you write an email to my friends telling them I will be going on this vacation in December this year. All right, so let's see. You write an email. Yes, sure, I can write you an email. So you can see it has given them even the vacation plan, the subject. You can see, hi friends, I hope this email finds you well and happy. I have some exciting news to share with you. I have decided to go on a vacation to Olumo Rock in Abeokuta, Nigeria in December this year. See the perfect email. You don't even need to do anything. Olumo Rock is a historic and natural attraction that offers stunning views of the city and the surrounding landscape. There's also a place of cultural and spiritual significance. I tell you, this is exactly what Olumo Rock is all about, because I've been there. I'll be staying at one of the hotels near Olumo Rock for a night and then explore the area and other attractions nearby. I'll also try some local cuisines and enjoy the warm weather. I think it will be a great experience and a nice break from the usual routine. So I think I'm writing to you to let you know about my plans and also to invite you to join me if you are interested and available. You can see I look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care, your friend, and then your name. So this is fantastically written, and you can see it has given us fantastic response to this. So I think you can do virtually anything. So this is one topic. See how we just interacted with it in terms of this topic, how we started everything. This is one conversation. Okay, this is one conversation, and you can see how we just interacted, asking questions, and you can see how relevant, how it brought in the key features, the key ideas we need, and then it has taken us even up to the email list. So you can just copy this and go to your email and paste it and then send it to your friends. Just put in your name, and it has given you the vacation, the subject of the email. Okay, so this is one way. This is one conversation. If you like, you can go to another conversation. You can start a new conversation. You can start a new topic, and then you can see how far you can go with this very big. So this is the first prompt, and trying to find out a location for my next vacation. Okay, so that does it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.